Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a squishy package. I got squishies from Kawaii Squishies.
Hi, I'm back on the channel.
Yeah, Johnna's back on the channel. She actually made a new channel, so I'll put the link in the description.
It's called Johnna rawdin because... And I only made one video.
Okay.
I'm a starter.
First.
Oh, and I got TikTok.
I got super cute little ice cream.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Okay.
Okay. She also got this really cute pizza.
So, yeah. And then I also got a super cute, don't move your hand. I got a super cute donut. So, yeah.
Ooh. And she got this really cute, what is this, milkshake?
Yeah. And then I also got, a super awesome popcorn. It smells so good.
Ooh, that actually smells really good.
Yeah.
What was that? James!
James, get out. Okay, it's fine. So I got a little cupcake. It's cute. Pick one.
She also got this like really cute cheesy, get it?
Cheesy
burger.
And then I also got another ice cream, which was a chocolate ice cream, super awesome and cute.
And then she got this like really adorable hot dog.
So, yeah.
It's freaking adorable.
Okay.
You can do this.
Yeah. And then French fries is the last one. It's super cute because it has a crying face, as you can see. Sorry for the really light, really big, really, like a lot of light. See, like back there? Yeah.
Okay.
But French fries, awesomeness, goodbye. Make sure you do. What? So, yeah, I got Kawaii Squishies from Kawaii Squishies. And, yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite squishy out of this package.
Oh,
and
sorry.
hope you have a